seems like it's a little bit rainy recently in Bali, so decided to come to Sanur and make some video. At morning I was saying that it's not rainy too much, but actually it's pretty rainy today. However, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Either it's snow or rain, I will always make videos for you. Well, that's only I make 1 or 2 days off when I was sick, but that's, I really couldn't work at that time. But currently I feel okay. It's rainy. It's actually very nice in Bali when it's rainy. It's beautiful and it's very calm, as you can see right now. So this is my favorite part of the Sanur, where is the beach front. Actually gonna walk into direction of Hyatt Regency. All of the restaurants obviously are quiet, empty, because people, when it's rainy, they usually don't coming to they usually not coming to the beach. Normal stuff, people waiting, hello. Thank you. Well, but it's actually very enjoyable to walk. I saw the one lady who was cycling currently without even umbrella or anything, just enjoying, because the rain, even it's rainy, is very warm actually. Guys, I'm serious. It's not cold like maybe right now in Europe. If you will walk during the rain, most likely you're gonna end up sick. But here you can walk and enjoy. Look at this guy. He's cycling. Oops, the same. Have to just be careful. Oh, this lady, no problem at all. Everybody are chilling and enjoying. However, today's video will be very simple. I just want to walk a little bit, show you around, a little bit of the sound of the rain. Beach is empty. Restaurants are empty. My sandals make a silly voice, so I'm so sorry about that. But check this out. It's actually very, very, very rainy. I'm serious, and check this out, this guy also enjoy. Hello. So, really not so bad. You can have a coffee if you don't want to walk. It's actually like currently about 4 p.m. Was waiting full day to make a video in different part of Bali today. However, it's raining already like for 2 hours, 3 hours, which is a little bit longer than average. This is famous La Playa. Also some people enjoying their time. But sitting today currently inside, obviously. But yeah, some people actually sitting at the front, just enjoying the beach under the umbrella. Why not? It's actually, very warm, very enjoyable, and little bit of the sound of the rain for you. It's so calm. The beach is so empty, so quiet. Actually, it's a little bit feeling like it's very quiet, because normally people, they don't come into beach when it's raining. Only some of the people, so all of the businesses actually have a little break. But I'm gonna tell you guys, it's very, very enjoyable to walk around. But okay, currently it's rainy, so there are different circumstances. But 2.5 years ago at that time, in 2020, that was terrible, because I used to walk like this alone during the beautiful sunny day, because there was nobody. And after that, before that and after that, the beach was unfortunately closed. This is pizzeria in Hyatt Regency. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna show you beautiful boats and the rain situation next to pizzeria in Hyatt Regency. Highly recommended place for the pizza, also to stay in the hotel. People sitting, of course, only deep inside. There are some guests of the Hyatt Regency as well. And it's beautiful, beautiful rain today, actually. Also just realized the Hyatt plant, or I don't know if Hyatt plant or Sanur in overall officials plant the palm trees. I think that's the officials plant the palm trees, because similar are in Seminyak next to the brand new promenade. So gonna be very nice tropical vibe in Bali in the next few years, when all the promenades, all the renovations gonna finish, the palm trees gonna grow a little bit up. It's gonna be actually very enjoyable tropical vibe. And meanwhile, this is a little bit of the situation of the Hyatt Regency hotel, the swimming pool situation. It's a little bit windy. I'm not carrying the microphone today, because microphone is not waterproof and it's quite pricey. Once I already broke it once during the water damage, so I hope so you still can hear properly. But also the sound of the rain is more clear, I believe. Also brand new promenade. One side is for the bicycles, one side is for walking. Hopefully people respecting that. And meanwhile, beautiful gardens of Hyatt Regency Hotel. Actually, it's really, really nice. And these flowers, beautiful in general, very beautiful and very calm, very peaceful vibe. But I said some people are actually still enjoying the walking with me. Also here next to Hyatt you can play volleyball. Actually this weather I think is great for making the sports, doing the sports like playing or something. However, like I said, people in Bali, especially locals, they really avoid rain, and overall seems like people avoiding the rain. But I have to make a video every single day, so basically I have not much choice. Beautiful gardens, by the way, in the rain, and some people more and more actually walking around. Whenever I'm making video during the rain, I always asking you guys, what are you doing when it's raining? Many of you actually staying in the hotels, reading books, enjoying some of you are enjoying the pool, because it's actually very enjoyable being in pool when it's raining in Bali, because of the weather is very hot. Some of you going to the bar, having a lunch, drinking, watching sports. Oops, umbrella. The tree actually are very low. Oh, again I hit. Some of you going for the coffee to the coffee shop, which is actually a very good idea, highly recommended. I will do the same if I don't have to make a video. And well, but let me know what else you can do in Bali when it's raining. Going for the massage maybe if you're staying in the hotel, or going to the spa, or just walking like me. Why not? It's actually very enjoyable. So that was the Hyatt property, and if you're gonna walk more into that direction, actually passing this little wall here, there is the Andas. Long time ago it was one hotel, actually it's the same group still, but they make a different brand, which is Andas by Hyatt. More luxury version of Hyatt actually in Sanur. Also the restaurant here is specialized into seafood. Mostly seafood, fish and stuff like this. As you can see, actually the fish here, normally they have so much sittings outside, but it's raining, of course. I don't see much people actually inside the bar and stuff, nobody on the pool, and you can have a sunbath and everything. So this restaurant, in case if you want to stay in Andes, is specialized into seafood, but the previous one in Hyatt Regency is Italian, and the Italian one, previous one, have the best pizza in Bali so far. Highly recommended. And meanwhile, little bit situation, how does it look like? Beautiful. Actually there are some people in the bar over there, and the hotel looks actually very nice as well, with the nice pool. We used to get, somebody give us the pass here. We used to be here during the last Christmas, or 2 years ago during the Christmas, for the swimming pool, so you can watch our old video. And meanwhile, that's the beach during the rain, totally empty and totally tranquility. I mean, it's very quiet, and like I said already many times, really very enjoyable. Last time when we were with Winnie here, we promised you we're gonna make a video about the construction of the brand new mall in Sanur. The construction is pretty advanced, they're working very hard and very fast. However, I cannot fly drone during the weather like this, so I'm gonna make this video maybe next week. But don't worry, I will make it, and also with the new harbor. Look at this beautiful flower. I don't know what's the name, but the color, the pinkish with the rain, beautiful shot. Like this one, it's actually so enjoyable, just next to the Penida Hotel. And actually at the front is the what's the name of the hotel? I forgot, literally forgot. Used to be there last time. Maya Sanur, sorry, I remember Maya Sanur. Well, they have a nice rooftop bar, but definitely not with the weather like this one. So only a few tables inside, but of course you can enjoy the time. Normally at that time when there is no rain, there is so much people, local people actually enjoying the beach, but currently you cannot see even single person. Also at the front supposed to be a view of the Nusa Penida, also you cannot see. I will come back. Yeah, I gonna tell you, I really enjoy my little walk today. Actually previously I planned to go to Uluwatu to make a video, but due to the current circumstances about the rain, it was not the best idea. Probably I'm gonna go tomorrow, but many of you actually commenting that Sanur is your favorite part of Bali, or one of the favorite ones. Give me more Sanur. And it's raining. Actually, I really like in Bali when it's raining, especially in Sanur and Ubud. I really enjoy it. And some people said, oh, it's rainy. Rain is very good in Bali, actually, you know, because of the plants and all the rice and everything that needs water. At least if it's not flooded, it's very good. Also, one of the huge benefits of rain in Bali is that As previously when I was making video yesterday, especially in Seminiak, was extremely hot. But it's rainy. It's actually very enjoyable to work, like I mentioned, because the temperature is dropped slightly, little bit. It's still, oops, this umbrella, this small tree is actually very hard to, carry this one. Anyways, it's actually, very enjoyable to work because temperature dropped a little bit, but it's still hot enough to get sweat if you're gonna work fast during the rain. And also, of course, you don't need a jacket or anything. Just take an umbrella. Also, you don't wanna get wet and get sick later when you enter the room with the aircon.